Hey guys, welcome to today's workout. This one's called the club circuit. Okay, so round one, we're going to be doing 90 seconds of work with a 45-second rest between each exercises. So there's 5 exercises in total. So you work for 90 seconds. Okay, so you do exercise 1 for 90 seconds, have a 45-second rest. Do exercise 2 for 90 seconds, 45-second rest. Exercise 3 for 90 seconds, 45-second rest. So you power through each of those 5 exercises, okay, taking a 45-second rest in between each exercise, and you're working for 90 seconds. So in total, that's going to take you about 11 minutes to complete. Then you take a 60-second rest, and then you're going to power through all those 5 exercises, one after another, as a type of flow workout, and you're going to go for 6 minutes in total, and you're going to power through as many rounds as you can in the 6 minutes, okay? So I'll run you through the exercises now and we'll get into it. Okay, so the first exercise we're gonna do is a 2-handed push press. Okay, we've done these before, so it's basically a swing, but we lock out the arms at the top. Okay, so we're gonna do a 2-handed swing. Just change your grip at the 45-second mark, okay? So if you've got your right hand on top, when you get to 45 seconds, which is the halfway mark, put your left hand on top, so you're keeping equal amounts of work on both sides. Okay, so we're just going to get set up, feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing forward. Okay, going to set that club up around about 12 inches in front. We're going to hip hinge those hips back. Okay, shoulders down and packed down, lats are turned on. Okay, we're going to pull that club in towards the body as we're firing up those lats. Okay, so we're going to swing the club bell through the legs, and then we're going to lock out the arms at the top. Okay, so from here, arms are locked out, full shoulder pack and then down. That's it, and then we're going to catch that club back in between the legs again and then lock out the arms at the top. All right, so that's exercise number 1. Exercise number 2, we're going to go alternating reverse lunge. So we're just going to keep this club in the guard position again. So we go 45 seconds in the right guard and then 45 seconds in the left guard. So if I've got the guard in my right, I've got the right hand on top, left hand comes across the body to the bottom, and then from there, we're going to go alternating reverse lunge. So we're changing the legs each side. Just make sure I've got plenty of room behind me. Just keeping the weight on that front heel. Squeeze for this glute, drive down for the heel, and then change sides. Exercise number 3, we're going to go 2-handed flag press, squat. So feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing forward. Okay, shoulders down and packed down. Elbows are tucked in. Push that club out. Arm lock at the bottom, pull that elbow in towards the body. Again, we're working for 90 seconds with a 45-second rest in between each exercise. So I'll just show you a few reps from the side. Press the club out. Try and get the thighs powered over the floor if you can. If you can't, just go as low as you can, keeping good technique. Keep that chest facing forward. Okay, try not to fold that hips on the squat. Okay, from there, we're going to go gamma cast. Again, just changing your grip at the 45-second mark. If you've got your right hand on top, change to the left hand. So with your gamma casts, bring it across the back of the body, and just making sure when you do your gamma cast that your triceps are in flexion and your thumb is reaching the t-shirt line. Just changing sides. And just ripping those elbows down as you're pulling down on those lats. And then we're going to go a 2-handed alternated side clean. Okay, so 2-handed alternated side clean. So if I've got the club on my right hand side, cast it to the left. Okay, and then from there I'm going to cast to my right and then bring it the other way. So I'll show you what that looks like. So 2-handed this way. So just keep changing sides. And again, just with your side cleans, 2-handed, full arm lock, transfer the weight, opposite side, it comes across the center line. Okay, from here, we finish in this position here at the bottom, weight transferred to the opposite side, and then come back the same way that you come. All right, guys, so that's it for round 1. So you're gonna go 90 seconds work, 45 seconds rest, each of those exercises. Then on round 2, you have a 60-second rest, get into round 2, and we're going to put that together as a flow. So you're going to do those 5 exercises as a flow, and you're going to power through as many times as you can in 6 minutes, okay? So I'm going to put that together now for you. So 2-handed push press, okay? And then we're going to go alternating reverse lunge. So from there, bring it into the body. We go each leg two-handed. Okay, two-handed flag press squat. Gamma cast. Side clean. Side clean, and then you go again. All right guys, that's it for today's workout. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. If you want more videos just like this one, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to check out our dangerously fit strength training equipment, all of our products are available through our websites. I'll leave the links in the description below. Thanks again for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.